Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you are new here. If not, you guys already know the deal, but of course can stick around for a quick introduction. This video is only going to be a few minutes, so nothing long, but going into the new year of 2020, I just wanted to kind of reintroduce myself for any new subscribers I may have gained since the last time I introduced myself, which was in the beginning of 2019 in my Get Ready With Me for New Year's video. So my name is Tori. I am 17 years old, and going into the year of 2020, this is going to be my 4th year of uploading videos to YouTube. For those of you who don't know or are just curious, it was actually my first video that blew up and kind of gave me a head start to where I am now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Let's not talk about it. I try to post around 1 to 2 times per week with videos around 7 to 10 minutes consisting of vlogs. Today's video is going to be a vlog and shop with me vlog. Makeup. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Hauls. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup haul, an affordable summer clothing try-on haul, routines. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated everyday makeup routine, my workout routine, get ready with me videos. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm all ready. And more. But if you have any ideas for other types of content you would like to see from me, definitely let me know down below in the comments. If this is the first video you're seeing of mine, feel free to browse around and check out some of my other content. If it seems like something you'd enjoy, subscribe by hitting the red button below. Or maybe I'm just not your cup of tea. I don't know. For all the people that were with me through 2019, I just want to give a huge thank you. I love you all so much. Literally, your support is what keeps me going. So I just appreciate all of you so much, and if you weren't with me through 2019, definitely be sure to join so you don't miss anything else in the new year of 2020. Lastly, before I end this off, be sure to share this with your friends, your family, post it somewhere, and just let people know because 2020 is going to be even better yet.